John Stanaland. Welcome to our new listing at 23592 Verrazanno Bay in Dana Point, Niguel Shores. It's a fantastic 4-bedroom, 4-bath home, about 2,800 square feet, completely rebuilt 15 years ago, close to the beach, ocean side of the highway. Very excited to show you this home. Let's take a look. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and we greatly look forward to seeing you at our next listing, which is ironically right down the street. Thank you, everybody.